Today we're going to be putting ASV levers on the Fantic. So as some of you know, I broke off my front brake lever at Darkwater last weekend, so we're going to do something about that and put the unbreakable levers on from ASV. Now because ASV does not list Fantic on their website, the clutch lever is going to be from a 26 300 XCW, and then the brake lever is going to be off a 26 250X, since it is a 250X platform. This is going to be another video where we just test fitment and hopefully everything goes according to plan, so let's jump into it. First thing we're going to do is just drop the handguard, get that out of the way, and then we'll get our boot pulled back. Now I'm probably not going to put these boots back on, at least on camera or maybe even right away. ASV does sell their own boots. It doesn't look like the factory boots are going to fit back on all that well with the ASV lever. Next we'll remove the bolt for the pivot, and there's a little lock nut underneath, so don't drop that. And then when we remove the bolt, there's going to be a spring and a pin right here. The paper instructions will tell you to put that spring back in without the pin, but the video that ASV has on YouTube shows no spring or pin going in. I tried it both ways, and with the spring it was kind of making a weird clicking sound, so we're going to do it no spring. Alright, grab the new lever and get everything lined up. Let that bolt drop through, and then for tightening we'll be doing this by hand because going too tight is going to cause this to not pivot. Alright, so at this point, I'm going to try to get my factory boot back on, but it's probably not going to fit quite right. I may have to order the ASV boots, which I believe are secured by this pivot bolt. So I was actually able to get that boot looking fairly decent. So we'll get the guard back up here and then we'll just take a look at that boot. I think the brake side might be a slightly different story as far as how that's going to fit, but on the clutch side, really did not turn out too bad. On the brake side, same thing. We're just going to drop the hand guard, give ourselves a little bit of room to work with. And I already have the boot off on this side because, again, I broke off this brake lever. We were in a pinch and I knew I was going to be doing these levers anyway, so I didn't bother to put that boot back on. 210s for the pivot. And then this is actually threaded in here, so this one we can't just push out. And then remove our old lever. Grab our ASV lever, just get that lined up with the piston on the master cylinder. And get the nut back on. And just make sure that this is threaded in all the way before tightening that nut. We are good to go. All right, and on this side I did put the boot back on already, but again, we'll look at it at the end. A little bit of silicone, if you're going to use the factory boots, is going to be your friend to get that slid over. And the only kind of kicker, I guess, with using the factory boot is it is going to cover up your clicker. But really, once you get this adjusted where you want it, that shouldn't be an issue. So good news is everything here fits. Brake lever for a YC250X, and then the clutch lever for a 300 XCW. That 250X is going to be between 2016 and 2026, and then for the 300 XCW clutch lever, 2006 to 2026. And then just get your clickers adjusted and go ride. And hopefully, when these fold back when I fall over, they don't break off my handguards. That could be next. We will see.